oil. Good evening, everybody. It is another fantastic day here. We are here with our friend Katie, who is going to be showing us how to make a traditional German meal. Today we are going to be doing a typical breaded schnitzel and a potato salad.
We're so excited to have Katie here. If you haven't seen our previous video where we explored more of our local area as her as our tour guide, you must watch that one. It was so fun. Today we're going to be doing the potato salad, and to my surprise, it's a different potato salad than I thought it would be. So coming from America, typically our potato salads have mayonnaise, pickles, a variety of other things within it, but this one is actually an oil-based one, and the potatoes are going to be boiled, correct? Yes. So it's going to be fun to try that. We've had our fair share of schnitzels at this point, but we're excited to make it from home and learn how to do it the real deal. So Willa's antsy, she's excited, I think she's hungry, so we better start jumping into this and get going.
So first off, we're going to peel and boil the potatoes and get those ready for the salad. We're going to mix up some eggs and get those ready for the schnitzel. Next, with the schnitzel meat, we're going to put it in the flour first, then into the egg, and then into the breadcrumbs, and then the lemon will go on top, and then the onion is for the salad. The cucumber, salt, pepper, oil, and vinegar are all for the potato salad as well.
Katie, what are you doing? You're peeling the wrong way.
I think that's the German way, maybe.
Is towards you. You guys, you're gonna cut yourself. Do you guys do that? For today's meal, we're gonna be using the tocket, and we're gonna be using it to chop up the onion, which is gonna be part of the potato salad. So this is actually super cool and awesome, you guys. I'm gonna turn it on here. It's like a smartphone. Here, you can see it just turned on. There's different options. They have a recipe, a whole library of incredible recipes there. There's different modes. This is where we're gonna be finding the chopping setting, but they have turbo. You can make yogurt in this, mincing, which we've used already before we use this, and it worked very well. You can also use steaming on here. They provide you with a steaming basket to put on top with a couple different inserts there. Putting on the lid, going down to chopping, set the amount of time. We're gonna do 6 seconds for just a small onion. Things are about to get loud. There you go. Our onions are ready. Okay, here we go. Katie, you better tell me if I'm doing this right or wrong. Oh, I can feel the juices in my other hand. Okay, because it was spraying out on me, we decided to cover it so I don't get pork juices. Here we go. Oh. Katie's like, you're good. Okay, awesome. Okay, now that I've hammered it down, salt and peppering it, one side or both sides?
Both sides.
Both sides. Now we're gonna put it through the flour, egg, and breadcrumb mixture. And big shout out to Katie's mom because she made these breadcrumbs from scratch. So thank you for providing those. We already know they're gonna be much better than the store. Here we go. It's ready to go in the oil.
Needs more salt.
Yeah, let's
Okay. More salt?
I got a little bit.
Yeah. Now it's good. Although for me, we could still do more salt and still more vinegar.
I still think a little more salt, but I think I'm good on the vinegar.
Okay.
I think after 3 times of adding additives, yep, I think we got it. You guys, this is so different than I thought what was gonna be potato salad. But we have our first traditional German potato salad made in the Christensen home. We're gonna dig in. A couple comments before we start. So we fried this. Katie said that we did it right because that extra layer of, oh, what would you say that? Flour, yeah, the coating started to bubble underneath. Check mark for us on accomplishing that. But one thing that we didn't do right is that we put it on paper towels after. I think I'm just so used to that because in the States, when we cook bacon, my family will put it on the paper towel to kind of soak up that oil. But here we want it, and so we messed up that way. But either way, it looks amazing.
I hope it tastes amazing.
I'm sure it
Can
will.
we try?
Let's try. Wait, Katie.
We did this. Is it okay if I just eat?
Yes.
Go right ahead, yeah, enjoy.
We forgot to salt a few of them, my fault, and so we're gonna be putting some on there. Because of that, if I would have remembered, we wouldn't have needed it. But I am so impressed that we made this. This is better, dare I say.
Must be her.
No, Katie. No, but really, dare I say, this is as good, if not better, as the ones that I've had in the restaurant. Especially the one that we had in Graff, which was like really thin and big. Like, I prefer this over that. I'm gonna add some lemon on mine.
Here we go. Oh yeah. If you can hear that crunch, that was like perfect breading. And the oil and the flavors. So the potato salad, I won't lie, I'm not a huge vinegar person, but this mixture is very, very nice. And I think it did help a lot to throw that garlic in at the end, so way to be. And it's just nice because it's it was still warm the first bites that I had, but now it's like a little bit colder. It's just nice because it doesn't like have that heavier like potato salad feel, in my opinion. And it's also good because I like how thinly sliced the cucumbers are. It's nice.
Tanner, what piece is this for you?
I like piece number 3. I think the oils just keep soaking in because it's like every time I have more, it's just better. Tonight has been a lot of fun. Thank you, Katie.
Yes.
It's been a
You're
blast.
very welcome.
And I'm gonna go eat some more after this, but this has been fantastic.
You already had a lot.
There's
We
still
have
more
some
left. And I'm gonna go and enjoy the next couple bites that I have. But thank you so much for being here. We will see you guys next time.
Are you eating with Katie? Oh, you cut the invisible schnitzel. Yeah, schnitzel. Oh.